Welcome back to their last training before we actually start building your funnel. And today we're going to talk about the second option system.io gives you to automate your business, and there are workflows. I'm not going to go into too much details into the workflows because it could be confusing, especially since every single business is different and your needs are going to be different from mine. So let's go do your workflow. Go to automations and workflow. As you can see, system.io, the same style everywhere. What do? We click create and we choose a name. And we're working with one thing, best ebook ever. And that's it. You started your workflow. Now, this workflow is inactive because there are steps that we need to complete. And like in everything in system.io, you can activate, you can change the name, or you can edit and delete. So let's go inside that workflow. If you have another email marketing software, this is not too overwhelming or too out of this world thing because we're used to work with this. But if you're starting your online business and you're starting with your email marketing campaigns, this might be a little bit overwhelming, but please stick with me. I'm going to keep it very simple. And that's why I have my weekly life goals, because there you can talk to me about your business and I can tell you the things that you can do and my suggestions until you get a grip of this and you're gonna get it so fast, but you have to do it and every business is different. So let's say same thing, same principle. There's a trigger, there's an action. Something happened when we're telling the system, when this happens, I need you to do this. But now we're gonna have options. Let's say we have a tag added, best ebook ever. And we create that. There's our trigger. Now you see we have plus button here. When we click that, we have now 3 steps. We can perform an action such as subscribe that person to a campaign or send a one-off email, kind of like rules. We can delay given a period of time. For example, you can have that tag. You can tell the system, hey, now I want you to go to the best ebook ever campaign and give I don't know, maybe 2 days delay and then start the welcome sequence campaign. You can do that here. Another option, the one that I want to show you, is the split the path based on person segment criteria, which is the one that I really like because it's an additional step for the system, more automations for you. So we create a decision. Let's say the person that was tagged under that you know that the campaign just started, we're gonna ask the system that when the email that we sent was opened, sorry about that. When when so we tagged a person, I don't know what's going on. Oh, because I'm in Safari. This works better in Chrome, that's why. The person was tagged under the best ebook ever tag. And we're telling the system that when we send that email to the person from the campaign, as you can see, this is the email. If the person opens the email, then we can say, well, now I want to uh, I want to subscribe to another campaign, which is, I'm going to use the same one, but it should be the welcome sequence. If that person did not open the email, then I can send a one-off email. And for that, I have to create the email. And the email could be the same one, changing just the subject, which that's what I do. Kind of like A/B testing. After that, I need to make another decision. Say that person opened the email or did not open the email. And it's going to open again to meet over here. This is going to go all the way here because the end get and the end goal of everything is to add everyone to the welcome sequence. But we want to nurture them. We want to make sure that before they jump into the welcome sequence, they receive that freebie. They receive that first digital product that they came to us for. With the funnel that we're going to create, with the rules that we have created, campaigns and emails, it is more than enough for you to start your business as soon as we finish the funnel. We're almost there. You have your freebie, you have your campaigns, you have your rules, you have your emails, you have your tags. As soon as we finish the funnel on the next step, your business is open for business to share your freebie with everyone. And of course, we're going to do sales and we're going to do everything else, but you want to have as many subscribers as you want. You want to nurture them, and then you send them the sales funnel that we're going to create. I hope this wasn't too confusing. I know at first it's a little bit confusing, and since I'm not working with a specific business, I cannot talk specifics. I can't stress enough the weekly live calls is just an hour, but I will do my best to answer as many questions as I can. And if you can be there live, we can work with your funnels and your automations as well. Well, that's it. All the foundation is done for your business. Now the only thing that we need to create, so it's kind of like a brick and mortar business. Everything is done inside the store. Now we need to create a flyer for people to come to your brick and mortar. That's it. We're going to create the flyer. We're going to create the funnel now. Congratulations, we're almost there. See you in the next module.